Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Marius. So in today's video, I want to challenge myself to recreate the shoe commercial that I saw on Instagram with just my phone and natural lighting. But before I show you how my version of this ad turned out, let me play you the original one that I saw as I was scrolling through Instagram one day. In the past, whenever ads showed up in my feed, I would just scroll past them and not even think twice about it and not even look at it. But these days, I'm actually looking at ads way more because I'm trying to get ideas, trying to see how people do different things, and I'm trying to get inspiration by looking at all of these different ads. So when I came across this one, I thought this would be a very good example for me to recreate. I wanted to try another product video with just my phone, but this time the twist would be to just use natural lighting. And I thought this one would be a very good one because it's really short and to the point, and it only takes a few shots. Got my shoe right here. It was actually the cleanest shoe I was able to find in the house. So we're gonna use this as our video subject and let's see how it goes. I'm also going to be using for this product video my phone, the iPhone 11, and I'm going to be using the MoviePro app. For this video, I'll be using this space over here where my big window is, and I'm getting tons of natural lighting, and it's giving me a nice soft light all around. I had to wait to this time of the day because earlier the sun was just coming through and it was very harsh and it was casting a lot of different shadows in the space. This is actually very good because the sun is now over there. All the light that I'm getting is just reflecting on my walls and everything. And I have white walls, so it acts as a really nice bounce board. So here are a few things that I think would be useful for this product shoe. So I have two boards here that I picked up at the dollar store. This one's a white board and has a reflective surface over here. I think it acts as a whiteboard, dry erase board. Yeah, I'll keep it around here in case I need to bounce and reflect some of the light that's coming in back into the product. And I have this blackboard, which I'll be using as a backdrop. Because this is an Instagram ad, is going to be in a 4:5 aspect ratio. I know that I won't be shooting in horizontal, but vertically, so yeah. And I also have this that I'll be using as well. This will act as my green screen. Again, from the dollar store, pretty cheap. You can pick it up anywhere. I realized that the black screen is not going to work because I'm getting a lot of light from all over the window, and if I want to go for a black background or a true black background, this is not going to work. So I switch it up to the green screen instead because it just makes it easier, and I'll just probably be able to key that out and introduce whatever background I want later on. And also for the shoe, if you've ever bought new shoes, you probably have seen paper inside the shoe. So for this one, because the shape here is quite, how do you say this? It doesn't look good. I don't know how to say that. So I got paper and I'll just put it inside here just to shape the front of the shoe a little bit more so that it looks nicer. And I also want to hide the shoelaces a little bit more, so I just tuck them in. And this thing just fell. I'll need a better way of doing this. But I don't want to set up my entire backdrop stand just for this. I'm hoping this will be like a quick tutorial video that anyone can do with whatever you have at home without having to get a bunch of video or photo stuff. We'll do this. Now we're going to hook this on fish line right here, which is a product videographer or photographer's best friend. I'm going to tape the fish line to the inside, and later on in post, I will just use simple CCR removal or even just a simple mask to take it away. I think this is looking pretty good, but I think I want to fill a little bit more the light and direct the light that's coming in through this bounce board, and I'm going to fill it on this side of the shoe. And I feel like it will add a little bit or a slight pop of a highlight to the shoe, so we'll see what that looks like. I'm sorry if the audio right now is a little bit noisy. We're actually next to the vent, and there's nothing I can do about it because this is where all the natural lighting is. So for this, I'm using the MoviePro app on my phone, which lets me control the shutter speed and the ISO and things like that on my phone. But for this one in particular, you could easily just do it with the native camera app. So the cool thing about what I'm doing right now with that fish line is that I don't even have to move the fish line at all. I'm letting the shoe, the fish line, and gravity do the thing. so that this can rotate very smoothly. So now let's bring in the humidifier and let's work with that shot. So I have this humidifier that has these things that can rotate, so you can direct where this smoke is going. As the shoe rotates, we'll have the smoke hitting the shoe, hopefully. I'm going to try to do this two times. One with this hitting the shoe and capturing that same rotation, and then the second shot is going to be just the smoke by itself, and we'll see which one of the two works best. It's always good if you can to capture multiple options of different ideas that you may have in case one of them doesn't work in the edit. My idea is that if I am indeed able to key out that green from this smoke, I can just layer that smoke and create multiple clips of that smoke and mask it so it creates these lines that go through the shoe as in the original ad, but we'll see if that works out. We do see in the original video that all the air is coming in a horizontal manner, so the shoe is flying through the air. Because we're shooting this upside down or from bottom up this way, all we need to do is just rotate that in post so that the air shoots from forward, and then it seems like the shoe is flying through that air. All right, so once again, this is what the final video looks like. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks again for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video and you picked up a trick or two about filming your next product video using your phone and just natural lighting. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite shoe brand is. So that's it for today's video, guys, and until next time.